Hi everybody, I'm Dan Rostelli from Mold Detection. Today we're doing a crawl space. The concern here is that the air ducts are down there as well. And since they are fiberglass, that if you get the smallest of compromises in these air ducts, it can pull the air that's down in this crawl space up inside the house. Because right here you can see the heavy growth along this joist right here. For the most part, this crawl space is dry. There's no water in here today. So we got to get as much of this growth out of here before we get to the treatment phase of it, of which then we use a product that not only kills the spores, but fractures them and biodegrades them, so the bodies left over have no allergenic capability. We're going to come in here with handheld HEPA-vacs. HEPA-vac all the surfaces in here, brush them down, and then I'll prepare the surfaces for treatment. As a man of my stature, cannot hang out in a crawl space like this too long. And once we're done the remediation down here, we are told the homeowners that either re-insulate the subfloor here, but you can see the heavy growth patterns here. This is throughout. And again, this gets back to the fact that if you didn't have air ducts down in your crawl space, it's not as big of an issue because the mold really doesn't have a transport mechanism to get upstairs. But here, since they have fiberglass ductwork, again, the smallest of compromises could start pulling the air from down here upstairs, and that could explain why there's a little bit of a musty odor on the first floor of the home.
Sure, come on.
Yep. And if the end result is a healthy home, then it makes it all worth the while. I think something